What's up, fellow Craymanes? Here's how you can get the Blackwing Leather Gloves in Crimson Desert. This pair of leather bracers offers 13 points in attack, 3 points in defense, a level 2 critical rate, and a level 1 lightning resistance. For Abyss gears, it gives an extra level in lightning resistance with health regeneration of 0.2 points per second. You'll get these gloves southeast of the town of Hernand in the Sanctum of Penitence. It's to this road that goes down from the Unicorn Cliff and to the upper left of the Willow River. Go there and make your way to the northern part of the Sanctum until you get the same view as mine. Our target location is that ledge over there. Make your way up that ledge with any means and stand close to the edge. Wait or walk around for a bit until your lantern turns red, signaling that the floor below you is going to break. Stand on the floor that's about to fall down and you'll drop inside the room with the chest. Open that chest and you'll get the gloves. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.